Now, recently I picked up my son and my daughter the iPhone 13. And if you have been following me on Twitter, you probably saw that post when I picked up those devices. Now, my daughter, she was coming from an iPhone 6, and my son, this is his very first device in general, all right? So his first device. Now, my daughter loves YouTube, and she wants to create YouTube videos in the future. So I asked her, did she want to do an unboxing right here on this channel of her iPhone 13 so that she can have a little fun with creating a video for herself, all right? And the answer was yes, and obviously I did help her. And right now, I just finished editing the video, and that's the video you guys are about to watch right now. So to my daughter, I'm pretty sure you're watching this video right now. This is your unboxing of your iPhone 13. Let's go.